So hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sai and today I'll be making part 2 of the dress. If you didn't see part 1, you can watch that first so you can see how to start it off. But today I am going to finish the dress. You'll need the skirt that we made yesterday, right here, the waistband. You'll need sewing pins. You'll need more fabric, pattern for the crop top part of the dress, right here, a marker, and fabric scissors. So let's get started.
Okay, now you want to get the front side of your pattern and put it on your fabric. Make sure your fabric is layered twice, so it's folded in half. Pin the pattern onto the fabric and cut. Since you already added a 1/2 inch seam allowance in the other video, make sure to check that out. You shouldn't have any problems. It should turn out like this. Now, fold it on that left side, and put the back pattern onto there. That way, once you finish cutting it, it would be a full back. Now, you will want your back piece to be facing you on the right side and the front pieces to be facing you. You should see the wrong side of the front pieces, but the right side of the back piece. And pin the shoulder and the sides. That way, once you flip it over, it'll all be on the right side. Letting you know, it would be a little tricky because you're pinning two front sides and the back piece together, and if you pin it the wrong way, it wouldn't turn out correct. Now you finished your top, but you have to hem the neckline. I am doing a rolled hem, 1/4 inch rolled hem, so that it can be really, really tiny. I don't want it to be very open on the V-neck. Remember that waistband? You want to put the two ends together and sew it so that it can really be a waistband. Press open that seam and flip it over. Fold the waistband in half. Make sure the two seams are pressed together so it can look clean and professional. And pin it. This was a tricky part for me, honestly, when I was doing this, because you want to pin it correctly. So you want the skirt to be on its wrong side while you're pinning it, and the waistband to be on its right side. Well, honestly, the waistband doesn't really have a wrong or right side since I folded it in half, so both sides will be correct, but it was pretty tricky. You have to make sure that the skirt fits around the waistband. You don't want any pleats. Like, it's already pleated, so why have extra pleats? And sew right under where you did those basting stitches so that once you finish the dress, you wouldn't see it. Okay, now get that top, and you want to flip the top inside out and match up the back seam, not the back seam, the middle of the back to the back seam of the dress and the waistband. So once it matches up, it wouldn't be inside out or turned around or just looking really weird and unprofessional. Now it's time to make the pocket. I'm just doing it by hand because I know how I want the pocket to be. But you can customize your pocket. This is how my pocket will look. I'm doing the same thing on the other one. I'm doing a decorative stitch on the top and a top stitch around the whole entire pocket so that it can look nice. I'll cut off all of the excess fabric on the other side. Now try on your dress and place the pockets where you would like it to be. After you've figured out where you would like to place your pockets, pin it and sew it and you'll be finished with your dress.
And this is the finished product. Now if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to be in this club, subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every week when I post a new video. Love you, bye!